DeepSeek is an advanced AI system developed by the Chinese company DeepSeek AI, aiming to achieve artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Below is a detailed breakdown of its workings, resource consumption, business model, and open source approach, synthesized from multiple sources. DeepSeek employs a hybrid architecture combining transformer-based neural networks, mixture of experts, and reinforcement learning. Key components include core architecture. Utilizes a mixture of experts framework with 671 billion parameters for DeepSeek R1, where only a subset of experts activate per task, optimizing computational efficiency. DeepSeek AI integrates multi-head latent attention for faster token processing and chain-of-thought reasoning for step-by-step problem-solving. This combination significantly enhances logical and mathematical tasks. Training innovations include reinforcement learning from human feedback, which automates feedback loops to refine outputs without heavy human annotation. Additionally, model distillation compresses large models into smaller, efficient versions while retaining performance. Emergent behavior networks enable unexpected capabilities through scaling, such as contextual adaptation. Example workflow for a user query input: question is tokenized into smaller units. Contextual analysis: attention mechanisms identify intent and context. Knowledge retrieval pulls data from its training corpus, text, code, etc. Output generation generates a detailed chain-of-thought structured response. What DeepSeek consumes: energy. Training the R1 model reportedly cost around $6 million and used 2,000 NVIDIA H800 GPUs over 2 months, consuming significantly less energy than US competitors. However, during inference, its QoT reasoning generates lengthy responses, leading to approximately 41 to 87% higher energy use per query compared to Meta's Llama 3.1. Hardware relies on NVIDIA H800 chips due to US export restrictions, which are less powerful than H100s but more energy efficient. Profit model. DeepSeek's revenue streams include API services, charges for access to premium models like DeepSeek R1 with tiered pricing and off-peak discounts, for example, 75% off during specific hours. Enterprise solutions, custom AI integrations for businesses such as coding assistants, DeepSeek Coder, and data analysis tools. Open source ecosystem. While core models are free, monetization likely comes from support services, certifications, and partnerships, for example, cloud providers hosting DeepSeek models. DeepSeek's open source strategy involves definition, releasing model weights, code, and training data under licenses like MIT, allowing users to inspect, modify, and redistribute the technology. The implications of an open source approach are quite profound. First, there's transparency. Developers can audit the outputs for biases or errors, ensuring a more reliable and ethical AI system. Then there's democratization. This approach lowers barriers for startups and researchers, allowing them to build AI tools more easily. Competitive pressure is another significant factor. It forces closed-source rivals like OpenAI to either innovate or reduce their prices. This kind of pressure can lead to faster advancements and more affordable AI solutions for everyone. Controversies. Critics argue open source models risk misuse, for example, generating harmful content, but advocates highlight benefits like accelerated innovation. Key challenges: energy trade-offs, efficiency gains in training are offset by high inference costs due to QoT reasoning. Geopolitical tensions, US export controls on advanced GPUs limit hardware access, though DeepSeek optimizes for available chips. Market competition competes with closed-source giants while navigating regulatory scrutiny over data privacy. For further details, refer to DeepSeek's technical documentation and open-source repositories.